Hi there, welcome to my channel. Please watch my video till the end. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.
Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to Semih Bulgur's channel, where we transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Today, we're diving into the world of comfort food with a twist, our irresistible creamy garlic mashed potatoes. Get ready to elevate your mashed potato game to a whole new level. Let's jump right in. In this visual feast, we'll capture the luscious texture of the mashed potatoes being whipped to perfection and the mesmerizing garlic butter melding into the mix. Visual satisfaction guaranteed. Follow along as we take you step by step through the process, from boiling the potatoes to creating the dreamiest garlic butter infused mash. It's a journey of creamy perfection you won't want to miss. We'll dive into the aromatic world of garlic and herbs, infusing each bite with an explosion of flavors that will leave your taste buds dancing. Uncover some pro tips and tricks to elevate your mashed potato game, making them the star of any meal. Your guests will be asking for seconds. Discover ideal pairings for your creamy garlic mashed potatoes, whether as a comforting side dish for a family dinner or a show stealer at a festive gathering. As we savor the delightful creaminess of our garlic mashed potatoes, I want to express my gratitude for being part of this delicious journey. Stay tuned for more mouth-watering recipes, and until next time, happy cooking.